If you're a new driver, these car buttons can be confusing. In this video, I'll show you 15 car buttons and how to use them. Let's get started. First, the fog light button. This yellow symbol means your rear fog lights are on. Use them only in fog, heavy rain or snow. Otherwise, they can blind drivers behind you. Simple but important for safe driving. And this is your front fog light symbol. Front fog lights help you see better in fog, rain or snow. They light the road low and wide without blinding others. Front or rear fog lights are safety tools. This is the AC button. Pressing it turns the air conditioning on or off. When it's hot inside the car, it cools the cabin and helps you feel comfortable. When it's raining and the windows fog up, the AC quickly defogs the windows. The rear window defroster button. Pressing it turns on the heating elements in the rear window. It helps clear frost, ice, or fog from the window, improving visibility. And here's the front windshield defroster button. It clears fog or frost from the windshield quickly. This is the air recirculation button. Pressing it closes the outside air vents and makes the system circulate the air only inside the cabin. This helps the cabin cool or heat faster. But it can cause the windows to fog up because dry outside air isn't entering. It's also useful for blocking unwanted odors or smoke from outside. One of the most recognizable buttons in a car. This is the hazard lights button. It turns on all turn signals at the same time. Use it when your car is stopped, broken down, or creating a hazard for others. It helps other drivers notice you sooner. This is the start-stop button. It turns the start-stop system on or off. This system automatically turns the engine off when you stop and restarts it when you move. Parking sensors on/off button. Pressing it turns the parking sensors on or off. Parking sensors help detect obstacles around the car when parking or driving at low speed. The system warns you with sound or visual signals as you get closer to an object. This button is useful when the sensors activate too often, for example in a car wash. Heated seat button. Pressing the button repeatedly to adjust the heating level. Low, medium, or high. The indicator lights show the selected heating level. Heated steering wheel button turns the steering wheel heating on or off. Press the button to warm up the steering wheel. This makes the steering wheel more comfortable to hold in cold weather. It's especially helpful on cold mornings or driving. The traction stability control button, also known as TCS, controls the traction and stability system. This system helps prevent wheel spin and keeps the car stable during acceleration. In normal driving conditions, the system should stay on. Turning it off can be useful only in special situations, like deep snow, mud, or when the car is stuck. The electronic parking brake button applies or releases the parking brake. Pulling or pressing the button activates the brake. It holds the car in place when parked. Especially on hills, the electronic parking brake replaces the traditional handbrake and works automatically in many situations, such as when you turn off the engine. Many people know how to use the parking brake. But have you ever used the auto hold function? Auto hold is an automatic parking brake. When you're driving, you can turn it on. And when you stop at the red light, you don't need to shift gears or hold the brake. The car stays stationary. When the light turns green, gently press the gas pedal, and the car automatically releases the brake. When auto hold is active, even on a hill, the car won't roll backward. This makes driving much safer. Remember, auto hold works only when your seatbelt is fastened. Auto hold works closely together with the electronic parking brake. While driving, auto hold keeps the car stoked without using parking brake. But when you turn off the engine, the electronic parking brake active automatically. When you start the engine again, the parking brake release automatically, while auto hold takes over to keep the car stopped until you move. This means your car is safely secured when parked. The lane departure warning button and turns the lane departure warning system on or off. When the system is active, it alerts you if your car intentionally drifts out of its lane. When the system detects that you are leaving your lane without signaling, it gives a gentle warning through steering wheel vibrations or a sound alert. This helps you stay safely in your lane, especially on highways or long drives. Lane departure warning is an assist system. It doesn't steer the car for you. It just warns you so you can take corrective action. And finally, the sync button. Sync stands for synchronization. When sync is off, the driver and passenger temperatures are controlled separately. Now I change the temperature on the driver's side. You can see only left side changes. The passenger side stays the same. Now adjusting the temperature on the passenger side. Only the right side changes. Each zone is controlled independently. Now the sync button is pressed. The temperature are synchronized. This makes climate control easier and more convenient. These are a few of the most commonly found car buttons. If you've watched till the end, that means this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching. In the next video, I'll explain dashboard warning lights and what they mean. If you don't want to miss new videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel.